Welcome back guys everybody to Professor Seemo. So in today's video we are going to run a new Linux operating system on VirtualBox. But today's video is going to be a bit different. We'll be running it together and see what's going to happen. I have found Rocky Linux, which is the new replacement of CentOS 8. And we'll see what's going to happen with us, what are we going to face together, alright? So first we can start with downloading the VirtualBox. And by the way, Rocky Linux is also developed by the same owner of the CentOS project. Downloads, go to downloads the VirtualBox, choose your host operating system. I have Windows, so just download the Windows version. Click download and everything over there. Then my VirtualBox, run the VirtualBox program, choose yes, press next, choose whatever you want from here, next, yes, install, and that's it. Press yes, finish. Alright, now go to search for Rocky Linux. I will leave the link in the description just in case. Okay, go to Rocky Linux. So what do we have here? We have download 8.6. Okay, we will download the x86-64 version, minimal DVD, boot torrent. So go with DVD. And for the path, I have this path that I'll be using. Save. Okay, so apparently it will take some time, so we'll see once it downloads. Alright, so now that we have installed the Rocky Linux, open VirtualBox, click on new, let's name it Professor Seemo Rocky Linux, go to other Linux 64, next, let's give it 4024, next, create a virtual disk, create, next, let's give it 20, create. Right, so now right click, settings, go to storage, add disk, add, and here choose your ISO, the one we have just installed, choose, click on it over here, press OK. Now start. Let's see, what are we going to see? Alright, start Rocky Linux, cancel, choose the first one, Linux, install Rocky Linux, or you could test with installation, but we'll choose the first one. Alright, let's see. Alright, here choose your language, English, continue. Okay, what's going on? Okay, here one important step is, of course, you have to choose your installation destination, which is already automatically chosen. You can change it over here. Now choose done, and of course don't forget to choose your software selection, server with GUI. Okay, keep it server with GUI. Now you have to create a user creation. Let's call it Professor Seemo. In the username you can't have spaces, so you can just say Professor Seemo. I want this account to be an administrator and I don't want a password. Now choose done. Now just begin installation. Of course, if you want a root password, you can choose from here. Begin installation. Configuring. Okay, this might take some time, so I will see once this step is alright. click on reboot system. Okay, now we should accept the license agreement, I believe. Alright, press I accept, done, and finish configuration. Okay, we are almost there. Let's see. Finally, now let's see. Professor Seemo. For you guys, I believe you should put your password if you have chosen the password option. Are we in? Alright, so again, choose your English, your language, your keyboard, Word, or English US. Next, privacy. You're ready to go. Start using Rocky Linux. You can choose, and finally, we are in Rocky Linux. Of course, you might not see anything over here, so just go to activities. As you can see, we can open the terminal from here. Let's write cat to see the latest release and click to check the version and other stuff. Let's see what we have here. Rocky and some other stuff. Version 8.6. Anyways, it means we have, congratulations, we have a working installation. Don't forget, you go to activities and you try the utilities over here. You have Firefox and the terminal. These two are the most important two. Let's check if the internet is on. Connect. Yep, it's open Firefox. Okay. Select all. Let's try searching for Google Chrome. Yep, Wi-Fi is working and everything is perfectly working. So thank you everyone for watching and staying till the end of this video. Hopefully you have installed and everything is working for you. If you have any issues that you are facing, you can just leave a comment in the comment section, of course, and we'll see you in another installation video. We'll see you.